In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hootsuite Professional Plan. To get started, open your Hootsuite dashboard. Once you are inside, look toward the top left area of the screen. You should see an option that says Plus or Plus Create a Post. Click that button to begin creating your new content. This step matters because it launches the composer where you can write your post and choose where it will go. After you click Plus Create a Post, the next thing you will see is a prompt to select where your post will be published. Move your attention to the area with a drop-down menu for connected social accounts. From that drop-down, select your connected social accounts. If you have multiple accounts connected, you can choose more than one, depending on how you want your message distributed. Take a moment to make sure you select only the accounts you intend to post to, because your text and media will be sent to those platforms. Now that your accounts are selected, you are ready to write the content. In the text field, type your message. Keep your wording clear and aligned with the platform you are posting to, since each audience may respond differently. If you want your post to include media, attach your image or video files in the uploader area. Add the media that supports your message, and double-check that the file appears correctly in the composer before you move on. Once your text and media are ready, you can decide whether to publish right away or schedule it for later. Look for the option labeled Schedule. Click Schedule so you can set up a planned publishing time. Scheduling is useful because it helps you post when your audience is most likely to be active, and it lets you prepare content in advance. At this point, you should see an optimization panel that suggests a best time to publish recommendation. Review this recommendation carefully. It typically provides a suggested date and time based on performance insights. Select the recommended best time, or confirm that it matches your goals. This step is important because it helps you take advantage of timing guidance, which can improve engagement and reach. After you confirm the time, you are almost done. Go to the bottom right corner of the screen. There you will find the Schedule button. Click Schedule to finalize the posting plan. When you do this, Hootsuite will save your scheduled post so it will be published automatically at the time you selected. If you want to be extra sure everything is correct, take a quick glance back at your scheduled details. You can verify that the correct social accounts are listed, that the text appears as expected, and that the media is attached. Then you can proceed knowing your post is set to go live. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.